should I'm gonna raise my, can I? You raise me up. Hey guys, so today's a really monumental day of my life. Not only because I did my makeup and wore pants, but because I have an actual friend. Her name is Nicole! We're gonna teach you how to do your makeup.
I taught Jackie how to do this makeup look from scratch. Buckle up, let's go. You want a nice blank slate.
I'm a blank slate, baby.
Okay.
And I'll write your name.
First, we are going to use skincare. First step is to spray this little thingy on your face.
We're taking off the shade.
Taking off the glasses. So we're just gonna do a little.
So elegant.
Repeat after me. I like to go straight to eyebrows now because your eyebrows frame your face.
She's jumping into it. Okay.
We're jumping right in. You're gonna learn today. The first thing you want to do is brush through your eyebrows. Like brush them nice.
Brush those brows.
With the little
brush
spoolie.
them good. Brush those brows just like
You should. Perfect. You're doing so good.
Up,
You're
right?
doing amazing.
Up.
Yep. And now the line at the bottom.
Line.
You need the pen for that.
At the bottom.
Yep. Have nice brows so there's not many sparse areas.
Sparse.
Sparse.
Sparse. Hashtag sparse.
So next, we're going to prime our eyelids.
Okay.
And you may say, why are we starting with our eyes?
Why?
And that's because I always mess up my eyes.
Was that a pun? I always mess up my eyes.
Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those things.
This seems easy. This seems like
This seems
like my level of makeup. Is it supposed to be thick?
Yeah.
One thick lid.
And now we are going to take my favorite palette. It's the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This shade, this shade right here. And we're going to set what we just put down.
Okay.
If you can't do this, I am concerned.
Put it on top of the thing. Step 3, fluffy brushes.
Now we are going to take a transition shade.
Transition shade.
Do you have any idea where this goes? I don't know if this does anything, but you're supposed to do this. You're going to put it, find your crease, like, like a windshield wiper. Like pretend it's raining on your eyelid. Keep going. So we're just working this into our crease for a nice transition.
The plot thickens, boys and girls.
Now we are going to take these super fluffy brushes. Super fluffy. Oh, they're not even in the frame.
Hello, friends.
What color do you think would look good just underneath this one? Like in the crease still.
A darker one? Step 4. Do it again.
With a different color.
I do makeup and you tell me I did it wrong.
I never say that. I think you always do it nice. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Maybe. I mean, who knows?
Who knows? Who knows what anything. You start in the center of your eye because that's where you want like the most pigment to be.
Right.
So you just keep packing it on literally until it looks nice. Like there's nothing else I have to tell you. Makeup is pretty symbolistic. Like Shia LaBeouf said, you just do it. Go really close to your lash line, yeah? Sometimes I forget to breathe. Horizontally, that's vertical.
Something happened.
We can work with that. See that line? Yeah. And now you're gonna go.
Fill it in.
Ow! Wait, I'm gonna coach you. Tear duct? Show me your tear duct.
Right here? No, right here.
Okay, the outside tear
Okay,
duct, okay?
gotcha.
Anatomy and physiology.
She's beauty, she's great.
She's Miss United Jackie States. You just have to believe in yourself.
Right. Okay.
And you didn't believe in yourself just now, and you didn't do it.
Maybe that's a deep-rooted issue.
I think so. I think I just...
This is the therapy
I'm
session.
sorry. You did it.
I did it.
I'm proud of you. It's because you believe.
It's because at first I didn't succeed.
And then I brushed it up and tried again. Pumpy, pumpy, pump. And this is going to create a luminous base. Now we're going to take this stick foundation.
Take the stick foundation.
Burp, 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 burp. And we are going to blend.
I'm a porcelain doll, ready to sit on my grandma's
Like
towel.
this. So now we are going to highlight our face. Do you know what? Do you know what that means?
Yes.
We are bringing out the high points of our face.
Yeah, like your brow bones.
No.
Oh,
Like
man.
your under eyes. Now watch.
Oh, shoot.
Take your wand,
Take your wand.
and you're literally gonna paint.
Wait a minute. I
What?
thought this was concealer.
Yeah, but we're highlighting with our concealer.
Oh, there's a lot of terms.
I'm gonna put more on my nose,
Oh, your nose.
and I'm gonna put an upside down cross. And you wanna set your under eyes.
Did it.
Now, what are we doing next?
Bronzer.
Yeah!
Step 672.
We're going
Contour.
to go in this book,
Go in the book. Go to page 2.
and you're gonna go in the Milk Chocolate Soleil. You're gonna dab, 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 dab. And what do we do? Fishy?
Fish.
Like find your cheekbones.
Yes, yes.
Find them.
I can do that.
We're gonna smile, like really naturally. And just put it like right on the apples. Why are they called apples?
Makeup is about making mistakes.
My whole life is a mistake.
Okay.
Then, wait, the next part that, yes, you're learning. You use the foundation brush to blend everything. You did that without me even telling you.
Step 6000.
And we're just gonna
Bronzer.
like bronze. It's time for highlighter.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I want pizza.
Wow, that looks really good.
I know.
Wow, that really does look nice.
So we're gonna curl our eyelashes. We're moving on to mascara since we forgot that in 787.
0.3.
You're gonna we just curled our lashes. And now we are putting on mascara.
Lit me up,
It's gray.
daddy.
Okay.
I look like Xenon Girl 21st century.
I love it though.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
This is it. This is the look. I am pretty freaking zazzed about it.
You love the way your makeup came out?
I'm actually really loving the gray. I didn't think I'd like it.
I love the gray. I took a bold jump
She took a bold jump, ladies.
and I did it.
She took a bold jump.
Beautiful! And we did it! Yay!
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want. If you're scared, then don't worry about it.
So anyway, wait, no, stop. I'm sorry. Bye.
Bye.
That's a good still.